Kagaya ng MX3, they advocate for people to live their best life. And it's really the same thing with me. Kapartner ko talaga ang MX3 sa buhay ko. Guten Tag! Welcome to the beautiful Switzerland. I'm Dexy Jimenez, 39 years old, Tubong Davao, and this is my MX3 story. I'm now more than 10 years here in Switzerland. I'm working as a fashion consultant sa Zurich. Since 2009, breadwinner na ako ng family. Sila talaga yung aking inspirasyon kung bakit nandito ako. So talagang focus ako sa trabaho and alagaan ang aking kalusugan. It's part of a Swiss culture. Like, they really watch what they eat and they really live a healthy life. And pasok talaga sa akin tong MX3 kasi it has anti-inflammatory properties. And sa work ko, 4-story yung building, walking and running here and there. So, malaking tulong talaga siya for me. I learned how to value my health so that I can live longer. I'm from Davao. We love mangosteen and we always support the homegrown products of Davao, gaya ng MX3. Gamit na taog MX3 para padayon ang atong kahimsog. MX3, dito ako bilib.